Maintaining a car can be a significant expense over the years, with repair costs, insurance, fuel, and regular maintenance adding up quickly. However, some vehicles stand out for their affordability and reliability, making them more economical to keep on the road. In this video, we'll explore the top 7 American cars that are cheapest to maintain. First on our list is the Chevrolet Spark. This subcompact car is an excellent choice for those looking to save on both purchase price. The Spark's small size makes it fuel efficient, offering impressive gas mileage which translates to savings at the pump. Additionally, its simple design and common parts mean that repairs. Next up is the Honda Civic, another perennial favorite among economical and reliable cars. The Civic combines a stylish design with a reputation for reliability that rivals any competitor. Its engine options provide a great balance of performance. Next up is the Ford Fiesta. Although production ended in 2019, the Fiesta remains a popular used car choice due to its affordability and low maintenance costs. Known for its agile handling and compact design, the Fiesta is easy on fuel consumption. It boasts a robust build that requires minimal repairs and uses parts that are widely available and affordable. Ford's extensive dealer network ensures that servicing a Fiesta is convenient and cost-effective, making it a smart option for budget. The Chevrolet Sonic is another standout in the realm of affordable maintenance. This subcompact car offers a comfortable ride and a surprisingly spacious interior. One of the Sonic's biggest advantages is its low cost of ownership. Thanks to its efficient fuel consumption and the inexpensive nature of its parts and repairs. Routine maintenance tasks, such as oil changes and brake replacements, are straightforward and budget-friendly. Chevrolet's solid warranty coverage also adds to the Sonic's appeal as a cost-effective vehicle. Moving on, we have the Ford Focus. Known for its reliability and practicality, the Focus is a compact car that excels in low maintenance costs. It offers a smooth ride and a range of engine options that balance performance with fuel efficiency. The Focus has been praised for its durable components, which contribute to fewer breakdowns and lower repair costs. Additionally, the widespread availability of parts and Ford's strong service network make maintaining a Focus both easy and economical. The Chevrolet Cruze is another excellent choice for those seeking a car that won't break the bank to maintain. Available with the Cruze further reduce the financial burden of upkeep, making it a top contender for cost-conscious car owners. In conclusion, these 7 American cars, the Chevrolet Spark, Ford Fiesta, Chevrolet Sonic, Ford Focus, Chevrolet Cruze, Dodge Dart, and Ford Fusion, offer some of the lowest maintenance costs in the market. Whether you're buying new or used, these vehicles provide a combination of reliability, efficiency, and affordability, making them smart choices for budget-conscious drivers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on affordable car ownership, interior comfort, or advanced safety features. These cars have something to offer every budget-conscious driver. So friends, that's our today's video. If you think this video is helpful for you, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.